Hi, Talia. Hope you bounce back quickly from your wisdom teeth surgery. I worked with Elijah after class today. He was having the same issue with inquisitive that you seem to be having. Here's what worked for him. Thought I'd share the video with this video and show you exactly what we did differently there. So what I'd recommend is you go back to the first week module, click on the Inquisitive Writers How to Use Inquisitive icon. When you do that, you should get the similar sign-in screen I have here. Put in your RCC email address. Be sure that you click the yes, I want to sign in. Put in your RCC email address. What we discovered is that the email that he had tried to register the first time was never recognized. So you can just go ahead and leave that part blank. Click on forgot your password. And after you click a few things and putting in your RCC email, and remember, you're going to have to use that because that's the one that's registered. Elijah got an email from Norton directing him to another page to change his email, and once he came back and changed his password. Once he came back and put that one in here, he went directly into the class, showed up in my grade book and everything. So that's a little different than what you were doing before. I think it'll work. If you've tried this, or if you go ahead and try and it doesn't work, let me know. But and we'll see what we can do. I've moved the deadline for the first one back to this weekend. That should give you time to get in and get it fixed. All right. So let me know how that turns out. See you soon.